We've all been there, right? You ask an AI for help, and you get back this super generic, kind of useless answer that just falls flat. But what if you could completely transform that experience? What if you could turn ChatGPT from a sort of public library into your own personal strategic business partner? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down how to do right now.
I mean, just imagine an AI that doesn't just scrape the web for answers, but actually draws from a deep understanding of your mind, how you think, the stories that define you, your biggest goals. This isn't science fiction. It's a very real, very practical strategy you can literally start using today.
And this slide, this is really the heart of it. We're moving away from that standard, impersonal, cookie-cutter AI experience, and we're heading towards something so much more powerful. A personalized AI gives you truly strategic advice, creates content that sounds authentically like you, and delivers insights that are completely bespoke to your situation. It's the difference between a simple tool and a real partner. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to build your personal blueprint. Then we'll unleash your personal stories. After that, we'll look at how to turn your prompts into actual payoffs. And finally, we'll see how this whole thing becomes your unique business advantage. Okay, first up, building your personal blueprint. This is the foundation for everything. This is the moment where you stop just asking the AI questions and you start teaching it how you actually operate. So what is this personal intelligence blueprint, or PIB? Well, think of it as creating a personal operating system of you for the AI. It's a special prompt that trains ChatGPT's memory on your unique mental model, how you make decisions, what energizes you, what drains you, the whole shebang. And this is how it all starts, with a powerful direct command. See, you're not asking a question, you're giving it an order. You literally tell ChatGPT to get to know you and save what it learns. And from there, it kicks off this incredible interview, asking you about 15 to 20 questions to start building out your blueprint. And the process itself? It's incredibly simple. You just paste in that prompt, and then you answer the questions it asks. Quick pro tip here, use the dictate button on your phone. Just talk out your answers. It's way faster and feels a lot more natural. And the best part is, ChatGPT handles all the organizing and saving to its memory automatically. Now, before we move on, a few really crucial tips. First, you've got to make sure memory is enabled in your settings. Second, you can actually manage this memory if it gets full, so keep an eye on that. Third, and this one's a biggie for security, turn on multi-factor authentication. And finally, to protect your privacy, make sure you turn off the setting that says improve the model for everyone. That keeps your personal data yours. So once the AI knows how you think, it's time to teach it who you are. This is phase 2, and it's all about building your story repository. This is your secret weapon for creating content that actually connects with people. A story repository is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's a collection of your most important stories, the challenges you've overcome, the huge wins that defined you, those pivotal moments that really shaped your worldview. By getting these into ChatGPT's memory, the AI can then weave your authentic experiences right into the content it creates for you. And just like with the blueprint, you kick this off with another direct command. You tell the AI to build this repository specifically so it can inject your stories into its writing. And again, it will start asking you questions to pull out all those key moments from your life and career. The result here is it's transformative. All of a sudden, the AI isn't just spitting out text. It's crafting compelling narratives. It can write a bio, a sales page, or even a keynote that sounds unmistakably like you because it's drawing from your real lived experiences. That's a huge competitive advantage. Okay, so we've built the foundation. The AI knows how you think, and it knows your stories. Now comes the fun part. Let's put this thing to work and start turning these prompts into some real-world payoffs. This little phrase right here is the key that unlocks absolutely everything, based on what you know about me. When you start your prompts this way, you're telling ChatGPT to stop being a generic search engine and to start acting like your personal strategist. It changes the entire conversation. And the applications for this are just so powerful. Need to write a grant? It can generate answers that are perfectly aligned with your mission. Building a pitch deck? It'll help you craft a story that perfectly balances your narrative with hard data. And for high-level stuff like strategic planning, it can analyze your business to uncover blind spots you never would have seen on your own. Let's just double-click on that strategic planning piece for a second. There's a specific prompt that has the AI analyze your entire year across 7 critical business areas. We're talking momentum multipliers, revenue left on the table, operational constraints. It goes deep. And the insights it can give you are stunningly direct. I mean, this is a real quote from what the AI told one user. It pinpointed a core mindset issue. They were stuck operating like a builder, down in the weeds, instead of an owner who's focused on high-level strategy. That's not just data. That's executive-level coaching.
And that powerful insight brings us to our final and maybe most important point. When you do all this, you're not just getting better at writing prompts. You are literally creating a unique and powerful business asset that no one else has. Think about it. You've transformed this generic tool into a system that is your personal business coach, your wealth strategist, your growth architect, all rolled into one. It's a world-class advisor that has been trained exclusively on you and for you. So let's just recap the key takeaways. First, you've given your AI a blueprint of how you think. Second, you've armed it with your personal stories as a secret weapon for authenticity. Third, your prompts are now going to deliver strategic results, not generic ones. And fourth, you've built a truly unique business asset. Ultimately, the technology is already here. The potential is absolutely massive. The AI is literally sitting there waiting and ready to learn everything about you and your business. The only question left is, are you ready to be its teacher?